If you want to make the YouTube algorithm love you in 2024, all you have to do is change your approach to how you set up your hook in the first 30 seconds of your videos. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to do that in order to monetize your channel, grow it much faster, and finally make the algorithm love every single one of your videos. Part 1. Change the hook plus the visual hook in the beginning. The algorithm is analyzing everything in the first 30 seconds of your video. It's not just about what you say, but also what's shown on screen. Those 30 seconds are make or break for whether the algorithm pushes your video to the right audience. Why? Because YouTube is trying to figure out the video's topic, and based on how people react in that short time, it'll decide who to recommend your video to. People's attention spans are at an all-time low, so if you waste time with long intros or boring explanations, they'll just click off. That sends a huge signal to the algorithm that your video isn't engaging, which is essentially death for your reach. The moment people start leaving in those early seconds, the algorithm assumes your video is either clickbait or just bad quality. And boom, no more promotion from YouTube. Here's what to do instead. You need to create what's called a visual hook. The visual hook is when your thumbnail matches perfectly with the first few seconds of your video. Take MrBeast as an example. If he's showing the biggest boat in the thumbnail, guess what? In the first few seconds of the video, you see that massive boat. People instantly realize the video isn't clickbait and stick around. Or think about popular anime-inspired YouTube channels, like the ones that feature Ayano Koji or Blue Lock. Their thumbnails show a powerful image and the first frame of the video hits with the same energy. This is what we call the second thumbnail. It reassures viewers they clicked on the right thing. So take your script or hook and reduce it to its key elements. You want it to match the thumbnail, be short, simple, and straight to the point. Don't waste people's time with unnecessary details in the first 30 seconds, jump right into the topic. If your video is educational, tell viewers directly what the video is about, what they learn, and how it's going to help them. Give a quick example or a teaser of why it's valuable. Something like, here are the top 10 lessons on how you can easily change your life, according to the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, the most famous Roman philosopher king of all time. This sets up the content, tells viewers what they'll gain, and confirms that the video isn't a waste of time. If your video is entertainment, show exactly what you promised in the thumbnail right from the start. If MrBeast shows the biggest boat in the world in the thumbnail, he starts the video by showing that boat. Why? Because it builds trust. People need to know that what they clicked on is what they're getting. This simple confirmation helps with retention, and that's everything when it comes to the algorithm. Why this works? By changing your hook to be fast, on point, and visually connected to the thumbnail, you're going to see immediate results in two areas. Increase retention rate. People stay longer because you're giving them exactly what they clicked for, fast. The algorithm sees that people aren't clicking off and assumes your content is valuable. Algorithm love. YouTube wants people to stick around so they can watch more ads. The longer people stay on your video, the more likely they are to see ads, which means more money for YouTube. The algorithm rewards videos that keep people engaged, because those videos help the platform make more money. Keep in mind that the hook and the first 30 seconds are your first impression when someone comes to your channel. This is where you need to put a lot of effort, good quality, sound effects, transitions, and so on. And as another bonus tip, whenever you want to make a video better, the most important thing is to make sure you have a viral topic and that your hook plus thumbnail perfectly represent the idea of your topic. If the idea is how to get better aim in a video game, the thumbnail needs to perfectly send that idea to the viewer, and the hook needs to confirm that the video is exactly about that in the first few seconds. We can't waste the viewer's time. The most important metric on YouTube is viewer satisfaction, so keep that in mind. Don't worry if you're not hitting home runs with every video in the beginning. YouTube is all about iterating. Keep improving your hooks, testing different visual hooks, and refining your message until you see what works best for your audience. The beauty of the algorithm is that it rewards progress. So as long as you're improving, you'll see growth over time. And if you want even more in-depth strategies and resources, I've got a free guide where I go into all of this step by step. Make sure to check it out if you're serious about growing your channel in 2024. The link is in the description.